Joining us now is Jeff Pontius, CEO of Corvus Gold. Good to see you, Jeff.
Great, thanks.
Now, you have a company, or your company is operating in Nevada.
Yep.
Very hot area, very popular. So tell us about yours. You're a little more advanced than some.
Yeah, we've published a PEA in 2018, and it had 3.6 million ounces in pit. Generated a NPV of about $1,250 gold of 580 million, all open pit. A combination of mostly oxide run-of-mine material and higher grade oxide that would go through a mill, and then a large new deposit that we're working on now that's a sulfide deposit at about 2 to 3 grams.
Now, I think the name Anglo Gold will draw attention among investors. They own 19.9% of you,
right?
So they clearly see something.
Yeah, they have a deposit just north of us that they've talked about. That they came into the district after we got there, and I used to run exploration for Anglo Gold for North America, and our chairman used to be their chief operating officer until a couple of years ago. So we have a very close Anglo connection here with Corvus.
So is it safe to say that the end game is they come along and they buy the rest? Or?
Well, I think that the district is really emerging as a very exciting new exploration play. These new deposits that Anglo has found and we found at our Motherlode project are really opening up a large new area of exploration in this district, and there will be a district consolidator. We do have Coeur Mining just to the south of us, and they're very aggressive in the district, and on the west side is Kenross, and they're also quite aggressive in the district, so it's popular.
Yeah. And so if they don't come knocking, I mean, maybe they knock and maybe the right deal's not there, right. Do you prove it out, you keep going, and you go to production?
Yeah, what we have right now is a starter pit. It's a great opportunity for low capital, get up and running for a heap leach oxide project. It's very low strip ratio, generates about 50 million tons in the mine plan, heap leach. There's a higher grade vein that gets mined and do a gravity scalp, and then we leach the tails on the pad. That's a great project. Looks like we can do that for under 100 million. So that's something that's within our ability to do, and we're advancing that right now. We're putting it through an internal pre-feas right now. We'll get to a decision this summer, and we'll see where we go.
And lastly, how are you financed? You set up pretty well?
Yeah, we're well financed. We have about 22 million in the company right now, and we have a great shareholder base with about 80% institutional.
Really?
Yeah.
So not much retail then right now?
Not much retail really right now, and a lot of big institutions have come in and taken positions in Corvus over the last, I'd say, 2 years here.
Great stuff. Okay, Good luck. We'll be following.
Great, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Jeff. Jeff Pontius, he's the CEO of Corvus Gold.